Hi, good morning. So here I am working at my farm. You see, we are making compost here in a duck pond, and then we're making some fencing. And it's a beautiful morning. The sun, it's really fresh air, and it's really, you know, very satisfying and uh, to work in the farm and to see things getting executed as you planned. Uh, while we will have more content or videos talking about how to make a food forest or permaculture farm or other stuff, but I think I'll talk about the healing bit for now, because I keep getting a lot of questions such as I have that disease, this has happened, that has happened, I have pain this in this part, and I have diabetes, or I have BP, or I have heart ailments, or I have kidney issues. All these kind of questions I keep getting, acne, or headaches and all other things. Please understand that human body is a pretty complex uh, body, and organism designed by the nature. Now let's understand that it is just not one disease or one part which is getting affected, uh, or is severely damaged, or anything else, but it's the entire body which is malfunctioning. And why is that happening? Because for years you've been eating wrong, unnatural foods, have been living unnatural life, and primarily your endocrine glandular system, which has 7 glands, uh, they start malfunctioning, and they are like computers of your body. They control every function in your body. They release multiple fluids, steroids, or hormones, etc. Then they control all the functions, and they also then control the functioning of the various organs you have. So that be entire body. Now, if you keep eating acid-forming foods, toxin-forming foods, keep using chemicals, which are again toxin-forming in the body, slowly the acidity and toxicity of body keeps increasing for years, and then they keep damaging your glands, your organs slowly. Now these things take time, incubate for a longer period, and then you get symptoms, and those symptoms in the form of pain, in the form of you've not been fertile, or you balding, or you getting some other issues, you getting some even neurological disorders, or you're not able to conceive a child, or man having erectile dysfunctions, or your arteries getting blocked, your thyroid gland not functioning, your sleep issues, your stress, your uh, teeth, your lactation issues, your skin disorders. They are nothing but body's attempt to detox itself from the toxins and acids naturally. And then we go to allopathy and try and curb those symptoms. But actually your body is signaling that there is something issue, you need to deal with it. So we have to eliminate the root causes, and we have to do the holistic detoxification to detoxify our body, so that the acids and toxins go out, and then body starts functioning well again. Now, treating one or understanding one disorder and trying to treat with one isolated medicines, isolated chemistry is not the question, because you're not eliminating root causes, you're not detoxifying the body. If your TSH is higher, or if your thyroid gland is not functioning well, that's because it's been damaged. The glands are made of tissues, and tissues are made of cells, and cells in acidic medium and toxic medium don't function well. They start degenerating. That's when you get glandular issues. Now, obviously, if the thyroid gland is not functioning well, the pituitary has to release more of TSH, that is thyroid stimulating hormone. So it's just not one thyroid. The entire endocrine system is malfunctioning because you've been damaging it with acid-forming foods and toxins. So the holistic detoxification is only the answer for curing your diseases, which you call diseases. They're basically symptoms for the body when it's not able to get its proper nutrition, the energy from the natural foods, and it's been slowly being degenerated and damaged by acids and toxins. So when you get some symptoms, including a fever or a cold and cough, there are acids, toxins, and mucus. Think of it that way. Don't look at problems in isolation and try to treat them with the isolated chemistry of medicines. Do a holistic detoxification, and then you will, not have those issues in future. Thank you.